As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two portable grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Nexgrill Fortress. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Let's break them down. The Charbroil is a classic, right? It's got that TRU-Infrared cooking system, which they claim eliminates flare-ups.
True, but the Nexgrill Fortress boasts 13,500 BTUs with 2 burners, compared to Charbroil's single 9,500 BTU burner. So Nexgrill wins on heat, theoretically, right?
Yeah, on paper. But BTU isn't everything. The Charbroil uses that infrared tech to distribute heat evenly. Plus, some users complain that Charbroil runs really hot, almost too hot.
Good point. What about cooking space?
Charbroil has 200 square inches. The Nexgrill offers 263 square inches, so more space with the Nexgrill.
Okay, Nexgrill is pulling ahead. How about portability?
The Charbroil is lighter, around 20 pounds, while the Nexgrill is closer to 29 pounds. That almost 10-pound difference could matter if you're hiking or lugging it far.
True. And the Charbroil has a latching lid, which sounds handy for carrying. What about the grates?
Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are easy to clean. The Nexgrill has cast iron grates, which retain heat better. So it's a trade-off.
And the Nexgrill has a griddle included. So you can cook pancakes, stir-fry, whatever. Versatility is a plus.
Definitely. Though it looks like the Charbroil can convert to use a larger 20 pounds propane tank with a separate adapter, so less waste using those little tanks.
Good to know. What about the price?
The Charbroil is a little cheaper, around $148, while the Nexgrill is closer to $180.
Okay, so Charbroil is cheaper and lighter. Nexgrill has more cooking space, higher BTU, and a griddle option. It all depends on what you value more.
Exactly. If you want something super portable and don't mind the smaller cooking area, the Charbroil is good. But if you need more space and versatility, the Nexgrill might be worth the extra weight and cost.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.